here I am. I'm going to be pressure washing this driveway and sidewalk, and I'll get her gutters too. And it's just a quick job on the week, and so I get to go have fun on the weekend. Instead of fighting all of the dirt that comes up down there, I'm going to start from up top and work my way down. can tell just how dirty this driveway is. As you can tell, look how dirty it is. And this is what the surface cleaner is doing and making it to where it looks brand new. As you can see, I'm on my third square. It's going by way faster than the normal pressure washer. Really nice to do this. I could be doing it faster, but I want to make sure that I get every single piece of dirt and grime out of this concrete. I could put this back on my stands like I had it, but I was going to give a first-person view of how I do this pressure washer. We actually just now today picked up the surface cleaner, and it's going way faster than it normally would. I would still be on the second square if I was using the pressure washer. Now earlier you might have saw me just spraying down the concrete because the dirt doesn't go down the driveway and it sometimes sticks. You gotta make sure that you get it all out so it looks real pretty. I've been doing that about every 2 strips or so. This hose does get in the way quite a bit, but I think it's fine, it's okay. I would recommend wearing something other than tennis shoes if you want to pressure wash. This is a great way of earning money. Charge about $250 or so to $500 per driveway, and they'll pay you to make it to where their driveway looks better. I would recommend going to houses that are going to be for sale soon because they want to have it to where their house looks real good. But of course, that market is also about to buy a house. They're about to use up a bunch of money. So you have to think about that too when you're gonna go and try and pressure wash their driveway. Other pressure washing types of things that you can do is do their siding, of course their sidewalks, their gutters, their mailbox, anything that gets dirty from rains and the sun. As you can see, I just had some beef jerky, but I've gotten 3 squares done, and I have about 6 or so squares left. I guess plus that one right there. And I'm gonna have to do the sidewalk, I do a bit of the porch, and I have to do her gutters along there. I'm gonna have to get the pressure washer nozzle out to do this right here on down a little ways because of all the rust and minerals in the concrete. I tried cutting at it with the pressure washer a bit down here, and it's not as good looking, so I'm gonna have to get the higher pressure nozzle. Same said about the gutter because it would be hard to use the surface cleaner, but I'm almost done. It's taking me about an hour and a half to do that square plus these 3, so about 3 or 4 hours left. So as you can see, I've gotten to where it's really really hard to pressure wash. You can go really, really slow. And you gotta make sure that you get all of it. There's water, and like more water has been sitting on this pad than the pads that are up there. I did take about a 30-minute lunch break and 15 minutes to let the engine cool down so I can refill it. I'm back to pressure washing, and I just have a little bit more to go. And I'm gonna go to the sidewalk. So yeah. Okay, I'm done pressure washing my Az's house. That sounds funny, but you should understand it if you were part of the family. See how white it is? Used to be straight up black. Look at it. See, all of that gray stuff is that sand. I tried washing it away. My dad's helping me wash it away right now. But this is what it looks like afterwards. And you saw what it looked like earlier. So we're about to put that pressure washer into the truck right here. Yep. There's my lunch. I ate beef jerky and a chicken wrap with salad. That's the tool I used. Here's the pressure washer I used. And there's my shoes. So all in all, this pressure washing job was not too hard. I like that new tool that we bought. We haven't ever used it before, and I did a job bigger than this before with just the wand and the small 15-degree thing. That took 2 days, and this just took about 5 hours.